idea and turn it into a working prototype in just minutes. That's what we're exploring today, and that's how I made this mini habit tracker using WinSurf. Before we jump into it, I want to show you a quick comparison what it takes to build the app the traditional way versus using WinSurf. On the left, you will see if we don't use WinSurf, we will have to know Python and Flask basics, HTML structure, CSS, handling state, and also debugging. But if you were to use WinSurf, you only have to know how to write a clear prompt and run the code that is generated. Now let's see it in action. I will open Visual Studio Code as my IDE, and I already have WinSurf pre-installed, and I'll go ahead create a new file called demo.py. This is where I will be generating my code in. To open the prompt, to type in my prompt, I'll use the shortcut Control I and type in a clear prompt. My prompt says build a Flask mini habit tracker with in-memory list storage to form a form to add habits, complete and delete buttons, a green progress bar, and styled HTML. And within seconds, my code is generated. This is how you guide WinSurf to deliver exactly what you need. Now, I will be given 3 options, which is accept, reject, and follow up. I'll go ahead and accept my code for now. And just like that, the code is ready. Now, I will give it a check by running my code and see what output we are presented with. No complex building process, no hours of debugging. A working prototype ready to test, validate, and demonstrate. This is the new standard of productivity. Now, this is what WinSurf has made so far, but I think we can refine it. Instead of editing the CSS manually, we will tell WinSurf improve the styling. The clearer the prompt, the better. With WinSurf, you can edit elements of the code or the entire code at once. Now to add CSS, I will go ahead and edit the entire code. To my liking, I will say give a better styling, use a light blue theme, and bring all elements to the center. Instantly the app updates. WinSurf understands the context, so making changes feels like a conversation with your code. It is fast, responsive, and intuitive. Now we have a polished app. I will go ahead and check if what WinSurf have generated now aligns with me. I'll give it a quick run. And yes, the output is exactly as I expected it to be. I will add new habits and check it, how the inline memory works and how the progress bar works as I check the habits. It works perfectly fine. But WinSurf does not stop there. We can ask the WinSurf chat box what additional features could enhance this habit tracker, and it suggests ideas like streak tracking, badges, and data visualization. These aren't just features, they are the ways to make the app more engaging and valuable. WinSurf supports the entire development lifecycle from brainstorming to prototyping to refining. So next time you start a project, don't get caught up in boilerplate or routine tasks. Focus on the features, the users, and the big picture. Let WinSurf handle the repetitive work. This isn't just about coding faster, it's about thinking like a problem solver, being creative, and building better applications efficiently. Thank you.